Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Ram Express Quad Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1954A. 30,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Ram brand new, Delmonico red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Ram seats 6, cloth interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. The Ram is very unique in that it is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Locking tailgate, backup camera, trailering package. That camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Soft tonneau cover on the bed, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Express has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Easy to operate radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, cup holders and storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, up and out of the way for a middle passenger, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, 395 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and a city average of 21 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires on the 20-inch wheels. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.